facilities of Ulyanovich State Medical University. This is the location. It is situated in the center of the city. This is not far from our hostel. This is the way towards our hostel. Only 10 minutes view ago, there is a bus stop. And if we see this side, if we are having any lecture in our university, we can go from this side. This is a completely portable area where we can go. Now the further information will be given by the Shubham.
She already told you about the location of medical faculty. I will tell you about the classes we held inside the medical faculty. Most of the important classes like anatomy, histology, embryology, we have inside this building. This building is about 5 to 10 minutes from our hostel, and in this faculty you will find about the bodies, you will study about the human bodies, and he will tell you about the further.
Talking further about this department, we have Dekanath, the Dean of the Medical Faculty. He is the head of our education system, and we have rooms from where we get exam book, our student credit, student card. If any problem with our education system is dealt mainly here. This is one of the main buildings of our university. It is not a place where we usually come to study, but it's one of the main buildings over the university. So we have 3 departments over here. There's a rector room. Rector is the main head of the university, and we have economical department there and international office there. And this building is not too far from our hostel. It's just a walking distance, and it's between medical faculty and our hostel. Any problem issues with our migration, with our immigration, with our visa problem is sorted out in the international office. Even our invitation and procedures of the university started over this building.
The hostel contract or everything that problems you face in university or in the hostel, all are solved in the international office here. We are standing just before the international office. It's very near to our hostel and our university. All the documentation, your contract with the company, all are made in the international office. Your problem with visa, your migration, everything is sold out here.
Now we are in our medical faculty. Now we can see our anatomy classes and take an up. Let's go. Before entering the anatomy classes, we have to submit this to the here.
Take the token from the lady.
Here are the trophies which given by our university by making lots of hard work on students and everything.
It's a Dean office.
Dean office.
Okay.
Here is our decanate, the rector office and
Dean office.
the dean office. Here are the persons
Okay,
who are working here.
Hi, so let me give you some directions. This is our hostel, and here from this side we can go towards the university, and from the right side we also get the tram station, so we don't have to walk a lot. From there we are having so many vehicles, tram also, bus also, and we can also book taxi from here. Now the Shubham Bhaiya will explain you the another item.
Hi guys, my name is Shubham. Now as you know, Sakshi told you about the tram station and bus station that you don't need to walk a lot, and you know there is a way. You know this is our hostel, and you don't need to go very much far to buy any products or anything. There is a shop which is named Gulliver, in which you can buy products like milk or something or like that. This is our hostel, you can see. And now Mayur bhai will say something about.
Hey, hi guys. Both guys told you about the university way and the product way, but I'll tell you where you can enjoy your hobbies. Like this is the Ploshid Lenina. It's called Lenin Square here. This is the government building, so we can say like this is the most secure place in our city. You can play cricket, football, whatever you want to play. Someone who interested in the playing skating or something else, they can claim and they can do anything here. And if you go some little far from here, you can be in the part of a park. You can walk. You can go down towards the near Volga River. So you have a comeback package to enjoy everything here. Now we are in physical culture department where we used to play, where we used to gym. This is a initial corridor where we have to give this card to get the key, to get enter. Okay, now we'll go to the first
changing room.
To the changing room.
Yes. First, we are going to changing room.
Okay, then we'll let's start from here. No? It's a girls' changing room. It's a boy changing room.
You can put anything in this cupboard. This you can see locker there. You can use this. Yes, you can use this.
I mean, used to use this locker every
Yes,
time.
we use here, and now we are going to playground like a
Indoor playground.
indoor playground.
Here we used to play a basketball, a volleyball, what we can say, badminton. This is a card that we have to show them on the security check. If we don't have a card, we are not allowed to get inside the university. So this is the best security system in the university. Like nobody can come inside without this card. And this is our security, ma'am. Okay, this is our anatomy class. These are the kidneys are here, and it's also kidney. The whole posters are showing about the neurons, female body, male body, reproduction system. It's put on here like a human skeleton. See, human skeleton.
This is better. You can see.
And we used to study in this room.
Myself Sandeep. Now I am telling you about the memories of our hostels. How many functions are held together. We have made a memory for our hostel students. You can see my photo here. As he said that we held so many functions in our university and in our hostels, that there is our teacher who guides us, Miss Julia. He tell and organize every functions and make us. She do everything to make us happy. Now see the old memories she kept alone, and now there she will put a flag on it. As he continues.
Hello guys, my name is Taha Aslam. I am the student of first year, and you can see there is a memory wall and one photo of me, and this, and near our memory wall there is our office. For any problem you can come. I will show you. Please come.
Hi.
Hi. Hello. This is our office for any problem and any documentation. Hello guys, my name is Taha Aslam. I am the student of first year.
Hi everyone, my name is Lai Chaudhary. I am a student of first year. We sit here to study because we bore in our rooms, and we sit here in the sofas for chattings, for grouping, for listening music slowly. Come with me, I will show you the rooms. These are a hall. Some rooms are left side, some rooms are right side. There is a separate girls and boys, and little bit far away after the hostel. There are two kitchens. One is big and one is small. Come with me.
Hello friends, myself Yash Bharadwaj. I will tell you about the rooms of our hostel. Firstly, we are having combined rooms over here. Some rooms are combined and some rooms are single. You see, these rooms are combined. Let's see the view over here. It's so beautiful view from here. And we are having 3 beds for one room and another 3 beds for another rooms. And we are also having, let's see the washrooms. We are also having the washrooms over here. This is our clean washroom over here. Now let's go outside and
The other things, I mean, like Russia is very strict about laws and everything, and one of them is the fire safety, like especially for the students. There is this fire extinguisher, and if anything goes wrong, there is a smoke detector over there, and it has a computerized, and if anything goes wrong, we have a speaker over here. It can record in 2 languages, in Russian and in English. So it's pretty quite safe in this hostel, I should say. This hostel, personally, I think it's really, really good. And moving on to Sakshi, as my friend said, it is really very strict regarding our safety. We are having fire brigade, even smoke detector. We are also having recordings in which something happens in our building, so we can aware all the students. So let me show you. We are having 2 kitchens in our hostel. This one is a bigger one, and that one is a smaller one. So first, I'll show you. So here we are having the bigger kitchen one. In this kitchen, we are having too many stoves, so that there will be no rush. Everyone can cook separately. Now we will go towards the smaller one. Here comes the smaller one. So this is our smaller kitchen. So this is a smaller one. Here also we are having too many stoves, so there will be no rush. Here students are cooking food for themselves.
Now we'll go to the rooms.
We will show you the rooms, how it is like. And here we come to some friends. Hey.
Hi bro.
Hi guys.
Hi. What are you doing?
Hi. My friend
He is
Zaid.
doing something in his laptop. He is working on his laptop, and you can see he is studying the first chapter of biochemistry.
What are you studying? Group?
I'm just taking the medicine. You can see.
You have exam?
Medicine.
Oh.
Yeah, he has exam. You know, you can see there are. This is very so clean rooms, and there are so many stuffs like this. Hey, kuchu.
You can see a view from here
You
also.
can
Like
see a view from here also. You know, see the very beautiful curtains here. Beautiful curtain. Who buy this?
it's a Wi-Fi. Yeah, this is a Wi-Fi.
Yeah, you can use free, of course.
Yeah, you can avail Wi-Fi here also. If you want Wi-Fi, then you can also avail Wi-Fi also here. So it's very.
I'll show you the bathroom.
Washroom.
It's a very clean bathroom. This is for the 2 people's like. So it's more spacious. Like
Bathtub also here, so you will have a feeling of a hotel here, not hostel. Like
this is a cupboard. Like you can. Like you will put your clothes. it gives us a security, like
Yeah,
the
it gives us
policemen
a
are
security,
here
yeah.
always, like, and there is nothing like a threat with the Russian peoples. They are so helping, and you know,
they are so helping and
kind
they are
people.
so silent. You cannot, you cannot hear any voice, hear any loud voice, and they are very peaceful persons, and they are very, cleanless persons.
Yeah,
They are
they
very
like to
clean.
be a clean, like
Yeah,
you
they
know,
like
look at
to
the
be clean.
ways,
Look at
like
the
they are
roads
so
and look at they are
clean.
so clean.
So clean. Every day they used to wash the roads. Every day used to wash this Lenin Square. So you will see a cleanness over here.
Yes.
And this is very best part of Russia, like as I notice.